Did you know that there are several AI websites where you can earn passive income without investing any money? These websites will pay you automatically and frequently without requiring you to make any further efforts after your initial setup. Imagine waking up every morning to hundreds of dollars deposited directly into your account simply because you took the time to set up these AI websites a few days earlier. That would be incredible, right? But the best part is that this is entirely possible and anyone can do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Earning Guru, the Know It. One place to be if you want to learn about the latest making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. I am your host, and today I'm going to show you some of the best AI websites for passive income in 2025. Before we go further into this video, I have a question for you. What are you doing at the end of this month to generate passive income? Please let us know in the comments section below. This will give us an idea of where we are heading and what we need to do next. But before we go any further, I want you to smash that like button, comment below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get straight into it. In this ever-evolving digital age, the internet has become a vast playground for those seeking to monetize their online presence. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing, which involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions on the sales you drive. However, affiliate marketing can be quite challenging, especially when it comes to finding the right products to promote. You need to find products that are in demand, have a good commission rate, and are easy to sell. Fortunately, there are now tools available that can help you find the best affiliate products to promote. These tools gather data on product performance and provide insights into which products are generating the most sales and revenue. By using these tools, you can save a lot of time and effort in your affiliate marketing journey and increase your chances of success. One of the best things about AI websites is that they can be used to generate multiple streams of income. For example, you can use AI to create content for your blog or social media channels and earn ad revenue from the traffic you generate. You can also use AI to automate your social media posts and grow your following, which can lead to more opportunities for monetization. Additionally, AI can be used to create personalized recommendations for your audience, which can lead to increased engagement and sales if you are an e-commerce store owner. Overall, AI websites offer a versatile and powerful tool for anyone looking to monetize their online presence. So, whether you are a blogger, social media influencer, e-commerce store owner, or just someone looking to make extra income online, AI websites may be worth exploring to help you achieve your financial goals. If you are looking for more ways to make money online, I highly recommend checking out my previous videos on 9 AI tools that can make you $500 per day and 10 AI websites to earn money online. These videos are packed with valuable information and can help you take your online earning potential to the next level. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate when you do that. It helps me know which topics to cover next, and it also helps others who are looking for the same information. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, please say hi in the comments. I love reading your comments and I try to respond to as many as I can. So please say hi and let me know what you think about this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I post new videos every week, so there's always fresh content for you to enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, bye-bye.